To upgrade to Google Analytics filters, start by understanding the concept of filters and their importance in data analysis. Filters help refine data, exclude unnecessary information, and provide more accurate insights into website performance. First, access your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. This is where you can manage your account settings, properties, and views. In the admin section, select the view you want to apply filters to, as filters are applied at the view level. Next, click on Filters and then New Filter. Here you can choose from predefined filter types or create a custom filter. Predefined filters include options like exclude traffic from a specific IP address, include only traffic to a specific subdirectory, or exclude traffic from a specific domain. To create a custom filter, select the custom filter type and then choose the filter field, such as hostname, page title, or browser type. Then, select the filter pattern, such as equals to, contains, or starts with. Finally, enter the filter value, such as a specific domain or keyword. For example, if you want to exclude traffic from your company's internal IP address, you would create a custom filter with the filter field set to IP address, the filter pattern set to equals to, and the filter value set to your company's IP address. After setting up your filter, apply it to your view and verify that it is working correctly by checking your reports and data. It is essential to test your filters regularly to ensure they are not excluding important data or including unnecessary information. Best practices for using Google Analytics filters include applying filters at the view level, testing filters regularly, and documenting filter changes. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Google Analytics filters to refine your data and gain more accurate insights into your website performance. Remember to always back up your data before making any changes to your filters. And consider using a test view to verify filter changes before applying them to your main view. By doing so, you can ensure that your filters are working correctly and providing the most accurate data possible.